What's up, y'all? Today we're steezing on this girl tech deck. Growing up in the early 2000s, I really did love girl skateboards and their simplistic designs. As I opened the tech deck, I noticed that it had a deck tracker in it where you could track the decks to the series. And of course you get the stickers. I'm going to keep the trucks the same and upgrade to these blue plastic wheels with bearings. I forgot my tech deck tools, so I had to resort to the one on my keychain. It did come in handy. After taking off the old wheels, I replaced them. And there's only one question to ask. To Steeze or not to Steeze?
They were pre-qualified into today's final. The interesting thing about those 6 skaters, 5 of them skated here